Okay, they're ready. They're ready. You have yellow dot. Come back. Who's that yellow dot? Who is that yellow dot?
Me, yeah.
Okay.
I'm just coming there for one.
Dismount. I'm gonna fake. It is fake. Spread a bit more. Go back. They might engage on the GA. Careful. Okay, look for me. Look shallow on this carving. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me. Okay, back now. Kite. They're engaging.
Miss.
Walk in. Good night, armor, bro. Walk in. Keep walking east. Keep walking in. Look shallow on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me now. Okay, we miss. Kite now. Okay, kite. Care on this GA. They're engaging. Heal. Helena, you're so much in front, bro. Walk up. Good GA. I'm gonna fake. Okay, look for me now. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, we miss. Leave it. Open, don't push him away. Save your rope and for the rest. Come back. The full kite, it's okay. Care. Help GU. Care. They engage. They miss. Walk. There's second engage coming. Wait, what? They're gonna engage. Nice. Really nice. Nice fake. Look for me. Walk up. I'm gonna fake now. This is fake. Now look for me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me now. Give me this two.
Oh, good shit.
Okay, now kite now. Spread. Kite and spread. Be ready. Defense be ready. Okay, kite and spread. They're looking. Care. That's fake. Care. Then that's engage. Heal. Open. Where you are? Fucking bro, Open. Why you over there? Like super. You are literally in front of the crown, Open. Gear up, Open from Carlian. Care. Go back. Don't clump up, boys. Look at the tank inside you. Kite back. They have 2 engages. They have 2 clump tanks. This is the caller. They have 2 clump tanks. Care. Go back. Okay, look for me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Miss. Just sit shallow and kite. Care. They're looking on this shop. Care. Don't put demons open.
They're dead. Playing.
They use good left miss.
They're playing with the royal jacket.
Open. I need to come fast. Okay. We already have less people.
Holy Q me once, please.
Kite back a bit, guys. You guys clumping so hard. Boys. Wait for my calls. Don't need to peek, boys. Everybody come back. Everybody come back. Southwest.
Engaging.
Everybody look for me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me now and kite. No night helmet, boys. No night helmets from the back line. Deep doesn't have night helmets. Ingot use night helmet.
I'm a soldier helmet.
Okay. Just stay back. Juju, come back. Care shallow on the south. They're looking on the south. Care, Tofu. Juju, be careful. They're looking now. Care, okay? Care. Spread more. Why you drop fallen? They're looking on the west. Everybody walk inside. Look for me. Everybody look for me. Come here and look for me. DPS, come to me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me, DPS. Hit me. Slice engage and spread now. They're gonna counter. Demons be ready. Be ready with Rezi. Wait. Stop their DPS. Rezi now. Heal. Okay, get ready. We're gonna hit now. Walk with me. Walk east. Look for me. Get ready. 5. Get ready. 4. Get ready. 3. And 2. 1. Hit me now. Kill this DPS on me. Almost. Good demons from them. Yo, go northeast and stabilize. Listen, be ready to defend. Demons be ready on my backline. Demons be ready, okay? D-tank hold them. Demons be ready. Spread more. Demon now. Demon. Oh, come and die, bro. Holy fuck. Look for me. I'm gonna fake. This is fake. Okay, look for me in 5 seconds. DPS with me. DPS with me. Look for me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. DPS on me now. DPS on me. DPS on me. Demons on point, man. Kite now. 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 Care. Care. They're looking. They're looking. Defend now. Defend now. Defend now. Defend. 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 Here, heal yourself. Here. Listen. Everybody come south. Everybody come south. Everybody come south. Come south. Everyone come south. Everyone come south. Come south. Come south. Come south, look for me, DPS, look for me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. DPS on me now, DPS on me now, DPS on me, DPS on me. Give me the skill. No DPS, boys. Spread now, they have engaged. Resi now. Okay, bro. VG.
Indian would could not demon. Indian would.
Regen. Whoever died, regen. So you guys need to rest and stuff on time. We feel like our defense is so bad today. We still have 3 demons, bro. I'm gonna play full front to back, not gonna let them walk inside us. They just kill the healers. Popan dying because he's out of position. Sukame died in our back line. And like,
We need more Q spams on the healers. We're not sustaining.
Ingat your mic.
it's a clap. It's a clap. Get up quickly. Popan, where are you? Popan, you still haven't came, right? You here?
Charge him. I'm on my way to charge him.
You can re-gear from Carleon.
Yes, we get from Carlin. It's quicker.
I'm one zone away.
Popan here. I'm gonna wait for valuable Popan. Valuable Kokame and do.
Oh, man. I got a lot of heals from the enemy healer.
If there's no T9 spike, just buy T8.
You can try 6-3 or something.
Yeah, but Shadow, I can't bop the Wano guys. Okay, I can bop the DPS.
Just use Guardian. Just pop Guardian on.
Yeah.
Unless use defensive GA.
Wait, really? I think we would do better if I switch rebound.
Roadmount won't help if they're clapping instantly, bro. Like it won't help anybody. Like they're using good life because they have good life.
It's the fucking Hylian who did.
I mean, the big thing about rebound, it just gives everyone 10% more HP, even they have life guys.
Just go T8. It's okay. You don't need to go T1. Just go T8 then. Just come fast. I wanna do at least 2 more rounds before we good.
Can you kill these medium? Over here.
You're in Craig Guard, right?
Yeah, domain chasm. We are in domain chasm.
Domain chasm, okay.
You coming from Fort Sterling?
Oh, no. Following on.
Oh my god.
Remember, you die, you make sure you have red flag still on. Careful from the blue names if you are red.
Oh, yeah, I mean, obviously coming from Fort Sterling would have been
Bro, at
faster.
one point, I was going to call enemy. Did you guys kill a lot of them? I don't see many red, and then I realized they're not red.
It's okay, guys. They have full 20. We are till 18. So.
Also, that last fight, there was a lot of space in the south. You did. It's a lot of space you could take.
Cleansing poison.
Fukame, where are you? Valid level, guys. Come fast.
Grand Sabam.
Okay. Goku, come D-tank. You can come from Carlian.
If it does go good by any sport, but I possible those keepers rebound.
The Bedrock Demon would be nice. We need more demons. And Kodamon can't bonk them away, so we have no hold. Only
I can bonk the DPS. The one Jin TFD DPS get bonked, but
yeah,
everyone else walks through.
just focus on the DPS then Kodamon, okay?
Yeah.
And focus on demoning too. We're gonna play full front to back this time. Cannot just kill our back line.
You guys died and gave me a lot of geek pots.
Goku come from Carlian or force the link would be faster. We are in domain chasm, just come first. Because we're gonna start second round. We're gonna do 3 rounds, by the way, boys. It's training, okay? Training time. Clap, it says clap. I need my DPS to record the fight, guys. Because we are not doing like little one shot. We are once waiting on the Kukame, then we can start. Valid level here. It's okay, we can get food from Carly and it's cheaper. And we can double OC. Kukame, where are you?
Glenmore.
What kind of zone is that? Cragmore, okay, Cragmore. Okay.
Snack more.
Okay, mount up, everybody mount up now, mount up now, mount up now. Mount up. We're gonna fight around that river.
One open one.
You okay? Okay, I'm gonna start fighting. I told them, ready, guys. Everybody come near me. Everybody come near me.
Nah, do we need to clear this boss?
Kill the boss too. Careful from the bird.
Great Arcane, silent in 3, 2, 1.
Silence.
Indeed.
Okame, where are you?
Ever.
Food OC if you haven't yet. Food OC if you haven't yet. We're gonna start fighting. Make sure everybody is red. Let's go.
Do this shit, this mob on the west.
Kill the mobs. Take space here. We're gonna play front to back. Careful, Cosmo. Okay, everybody, my detanks in front. Boys, wake up. Start recording now, okay? Kill this mob. Please don't abuse this mob.
Wait, are these the same enemy?
Yeah.
Star Sapphire guys, I did.
Some more of them joined. There are 20 plus.
Yeah, right. The Star Sapphire wasn't there.
Yeah, it's okay. He told me. I know. Look for me. DPS get ready, and we're gonna hit, and we're gonna kite straight north. DPS stay behind me. Okay, stay behind the ground. Look for me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me. Nice shit. Now we kite. We kite now. Care shallow. They're engaging. Walk up. Walk again. Didn't hold them. And walk. Didn't hold them and walk. Walk. Look for me. Like, get ready. 5 seconds. You're gonna hit. Just silence them if you have healer. Look for me. Wait.
Finish,
5. Demons be ready. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me now. And demons be ready. They're gonna counter it and hold them. They're looking to counter. Demons be ready. Okay, demons be ready. Okay, good. Keep kiting. Pop and don't stop. Keep kiting. They're looking to you. Careful. Heal shallow. Walk up. Walk now. DPS, look for me. 5 seconds you're gonna hit. DPS, look for me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me now. And kite. Same place. Keep kiting. Kite now. Didn't hold and come back. Everybody come back. Full come back. Dream. Come back. Dream. You don't get. They will kidnap and kill you. Go southwest. Hug this wall. Okay, we're gonna have to play front to back. They're looking. Everybody look for me. Walk up. I know. Didn't hold them. Okay, go back now. Look for me. 5. Look for me. 4. Wait. 3, 2, 1. Hit me now. This is their caller. Okay, now kite now. Same place. Open careful. Ingot careful. You guys too much front. Ingot, you got too much front, bro. Don't waste your soldier health. They then get dream careful. They're gonna kidnap you. Okay, then get.
They hit.
It.
You guys not kiting with me, boys. Hold them again. Hold them again. Look for me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me now. Almost. Now kite. Careful. Defenses be ready. Shadow. Defenses be ready. Colmonk, be careful. Come back, boys. Who's in the back? Analyst. Who's there? Careful. They're looking now. Good. Walk with me. Look for me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me now. Okay, now back now. Kukame, don't die from demon. Okay, heal Kukame. Kukame, don't die from demon.
No demon for 15 seconds.
Nice Q.
Okay, get your demon. We can kidnap this tank, bro. Try to kidnap the tank. Okay? No. Try to kidnap the tanks next time. You don't go front. Come back. Quick, they look. Heal front. Walk. Just keep walking. Don't shoot. Just keep walking. Look for me. Just walk slowly. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me. And go back. Go back. Didn't hold them, didn't hold them. Just keep going back. It's okay, it's okay. We good, we good. I dropped Judy in my front. Careful, careful. Didn't hold them. They're looking now, they're looking now. Heal my friend. Regina. Walk inside them now, walk inside them now. Heal, heal.
Build your base. Build your
Walk
base.
inside them, walk inside them, walk inside them, walk inside them. Didn't. I'm gonna fake, I'm gonna fake. This is fake, this is fake. Okay, look for me now, look for me. Actually go back, actually go back. Everybody go back, look for me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me, hit me, hit me, hit me, hit me. Almost killed the color.
Nice.
Come back, come back, come back, come back, come back.
Nice, nice, nice.
Full come back, full come back, come back, come back, come back, come back, come back, come back.
Engage.
Care. Walk.
Miss,
They're
miss.
engaging now, they're engaging now, they're engaging now, they're engaging now. Care. Walk up. I want to fake. This is gonna be real engage, okay? This is gonna be real engage on this tank. Just walk with me. Keep walking. Look for me on the south wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me. Oh, I got CC. Okay, now go back. Kite back. Just kite back. Careful. Now good bad rock. Careful. They're in position. They're engaging. They try to kill me.
Just follow my shadow.
Now he also engaging on me. Look for me. 5. Hold on. Okay, look for me now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me now. Kill this tank. Almost. Now
They're
go back.
engaging.
Hold. They can solve. We can kite. Care shallow. Okay, care shallow. Come back. Full come back. Tofu come back. Everybody full kite back. Carving. Careful, bro.
Yo, the maces queue your
Sure, don't waste the W.
thing for their
Oh my
advantage,
god.
man.
Listen. Hug this wall. They're gonna do the same thing. Hug this wall. Careful.
Engage
Anything
on
calling?
Yeah, it's okay. Now look for me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me.
life curse, man.
Kite back. It's okay. Kite back. Didn't solve them.
Ajay, then.
Yeah, hug this wall and kite. I told you, boys. Hug this wall and kite. Boys, hug this wall and kite back. Some didn't have to beat. You Kukame healers. We have 4 healers. Look for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. Wait. You have in 1. Hit this thing. Okay, Gigas, just go back. Just leave it. If you Gigas, we leave it. Kite back. Don't demon without cause. They're engaging.
Hit.
I know.
Failed.
Okay, look for me. I'm gonna hit this tank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the tanks on me. And kite back. Full kite back. Care shallow. Don't clump shallow. You be careful. We have to kill this tank.
Go back.
You put guardians in the front, okay? Be careful. They're looking now. We're gonna headbutt. Okay? Good. Be ready. We're gonna headbutt. Careful. We're gonna headbutt. Okay? Don't clump up DPS healers. Stay back. Okay? Healers get caught. You're gonna get one shot. We're gonna play headbutt. Come back a bit. Don't go there. Back a bit. DPS always stay behind the count. Look for me. He's looking. Okay? He's looking. Be ready to put guardians on me. They will try to one-shot me. Okay? Careful, he's looking on Jewel. Care. Heal. 5,
Just follow
4,
my view.
3, 2, 1. Hit me.
Dream, don't night armor like that. Falling it.
Yo, heal my DPS. You're not healing him, bro. Healers. He slowly died. Care to defend. Care, he's looking now. Care. Spread a bit more. Okay, they're looking now. Okay, they're gonna engage. Bit more. Already they will get. They're engaging.
Just follow on shadow.
Bro, like he literally died slowly. Nobody healed him. Dumb, bro. I can't kill tanks anymore. Kite back a bit. This is fake. That's fake. Kite back. Full kite back. Again, play it front to back. Don't lose focus. Go back. Everybody go back. Care shallow. We're going southwest now. We're going west now. Care, he's looking. You wasted demon, bro. Go west, boys. Don't be in front. Don't be in front. He's gonna catch you. Stay behind the count. Only tanks in front. Use and W on this mob. Here he's looking. Pull a bit. Go bit more back. Go bit more back. Care. He's looking at me. Your healers be ready to heal me. Okay. He's looking. The hodge is looking. Go kite back. Kite. Keep kiting with ours now. Keep kiting north. Detanks care.
I missed.
We have 3 minutes on us.
They missed, Shadow, they missed.
Okay, look for me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me. Kite. Didn't hold them. Keep kiting. They're engaging. Keep kiting. They are engaging. Demons be ready. Keep kiting northeast. They're engaging. Who come here? How you getting caught, bro? Again.
2 minutes on us.
Should double see.
Look for me. We're gonna have to get food. Look for me. 5, 4. I will fake it. This is fake. It's fake. Now go back a bit. Look for me. Keep going northeast. I'm so sleepy. They're looking at you. Look for me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill the guy on me. Almost, bro. Keep kiting now. Dab. Healer getting caught, bro. So strong. Keep going back.
They're also falling back, Shadow.
Okay. We reset
No,
OC. We
coming.
get food.
No, he's holding.
We reset OC. We double OC and we get food. Okay, we just do that. Double OC and we get food.
Do I say wait
If you
then?
want to get food, we don't need to double see, man.
Okay, we can reset OC.
It's the same thing.
Mount up. I mean, why you wanna spend 10 more siphon again?
Oh fuck, I already
Yeah,
double
man.
OC.
Yeah, I mean, double OC is just better than resetting OC.
I double OC. Up to you guys.
Yeah.
Yes, Shift Panther, we have another demon now.
Double OC is always better.
Yeah, it's like if you die, it doesn't.
I think the guy is saying he doesn't have food too.
Yeah, I mean, they should.
We should just fight, man.
Do we fight or do we what?
We get food. Without
So
fight,
then-
our demon's cooldown will be so bad.
We don't double, right? We just
Without
reset.
yeah, I did double OC, guys.
I mean, do it, but it doesn't matter.